the company has announced a collaboration with Porsche Design to introduce the Honor Magic7 RSR Porsche Design Edition. The Honor Magic7 RSR Porsche Design Edition draws inspiration from Porsche's legendary design philosophy. It is available in 4 colors. Honor has confirmed that the Honor Magic7 RSR Porsche Design Edition will officially launch in December. Tipster Digital Chat Station shared a post on Weibo revealing the major specifications of this device. The Magic7 Pro features a 6.8-inch micro-quad-curved OLED display with a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate, 5000 nits peak brightness. It is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset with Adreno 830 GPU and runs macOS 9.0 based on Android 15. The phone has a 50MP main camera with variable aperture, a 50MP ultra-wide camera, a 200MP periscope lens with 100x zoom, and a 50MP front camera. It packs a 5,850 mAh battery with 100W wired and 80W wireless charging, offers IP68/IP69 protection. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.